The next vehicle up for us, which happens to be a 1967 Chevelle Super Sport, all black.
Trust the badge. Well, at least half of it. More about that in a moment.
Okay.
396 on the air cleaner. Nope, don't trust that. That's a 462 cubic inch big block. But the SS on the exterior badges, you can trust that because it's a real Super Sport. It's had its original engine replaced. 4-speed transmission, still has a Chevrolet 12-bolt rear end. The big heavy-duty unit is factory installed with Positraction. Current owner has had this car since 2006, and look at the money that it is fetching.
Yeah, baby boomers will get all dewy-eyed looking at this Chevelle.
You said it. Not a convertible.
No.
Black and chrome, hard to beat.
Yeah.
Those are the Cooper Cobras, I think. That Cobra's not carrying. Yeah, they are.
Yep.
They look great.
I believe the reserve came off in the upper 60s, maybe 70-ish.
I think you're right. I think upper 60s.
Yeah.
This is incredible.
95, 97, 95, 97. Anybody else? Last call. 95, 97.
Well, there we go. The internet, Scott. $95,000, exceeding all our expectations, but not quite cracking that six-figure we're looking for.
Yes, sir.
We'll get there. I'm confident.
Good car, good money. More to come from Mecum, Kansas City.